The delightful aroma of fennel combined with the nutritious qualities of carrots and dried shrimp make this recipe both fragrant and healthy. You will need the following ingredients: fennel, carrots, salt, 5-spice powder, eggs, dried shrimp, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, cooking oil. Now, let's start. But first, take a good look at how they will turn out. In Chinese cuisine, fennel is often used to make steamed dumplings, but here we'll show another way to use it. It takes just 5 minutes to make. It has a delicious fennel aroma at the end, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, nutritious and delicious. Wash the fennel to control the moisture content. Cut into small pieces using a knife, then set aside on a plate. Let's move on to the next step. Cut the peeled carrots like this. Cut thin slices. Then cut into thin strips. Finally, cut into small cubes. Set aside with the fennel. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix evenly. Remove excess moisture from the fennel and carrot. After removing the excess water, add a bit of 5-spice powder. Add 3 eggs. Add a handful of dried shrimp. Mix well with chopsticks. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 2 more tablespoons of wheat flour. Finally, mix until the consistency looks like in the video. You can put a bit of cooking oil on your hands to make the work easier. Take a small portion of dumpling dough and place it in the palm of your hand. Form a small round dumpling. Then, place the dumplings in the electric deep fryer. Let them brown at medium temperature to fry the outside and cook the inside. Let the bottom fry until golden brown. Then flip them one by one. Fry the other side until golden brown. The smell is fantastic. Once fried on the outside and cooked on the inside, place them on a plate and enjoy. A fennel, carrot, and dried shrimp dumpling, fragrant and nutritious. It's ready. This is how it looks when ready. That's it for today. See you in the next recipe.